Hello and welcome. My name is Sunshine, the project manager, Sunshine Resources. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make the World Health Organization approved hand sanitizer. Now this is necessary especially for those who want to produce in commercial quantities. So if you're new to this channel, you may consider subscribing so that you do not miss any of our videos each time we upload them. The World Health approved hand sanitizer can be made from the following materials. These are isopropyl alcohol, hydrogen peroxide, glycerin, and distilled water. Now let's state the quantity of material needed to produce about 250 ml of hand sanitizer. Isopropyl alcohol, also known as IPA, 200 ml. Hydrogen peroxide, a tablespoon. Glycerin, a tablespoon. And distilled water, 40 ml. Now these are the materials. This is isopropyl alcohol, and this is hydrogen peroxide. This is glycerin, and this is distilled water. Now pour your isopropyl alcohol into a container and add a tablespoon of hydrogen peroxide to it. Hydrogen peroxide can be obtained from the pharmacy stores. Now add a tablespoon of glycerin to it. Now you can add distilled water to it. Now stir the solution and fill your spray bottle. And your World Health Organization endorsed hand sanitizer is ready for use. So thank you very much for watching, and God bless you. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can visit our website on www.sunshineresources.org.ng. You can also visit our YouTube channel on youtube.com/c/Sunshine Resources SRTV. You can follow us on our Facebook page on Sunshine Resources. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless you.